SlipsAway. This short video will show you how simple it is to install our anti-slip treads. Before installing, please make sure the surface of your bath or shower has no ridges or bumps, as SlipsAway treads are designed for use on smooth surfaces only. Step 1. It is important that your bath or shower is clean before you start. We recommend using a sponge scrubber and bath cleaner to remove any shampoo, conditioner residue or any other oils that may be laying on the surface, as this can affect the adhesion of the treads. Rinse with water and dry with a paper towel. Step 2. Before laying your treads, ensure your bath is completely dry. Step 3. Place the treads in the desired layout you would like. Step 4. Wash your hands to remove any skin oils. Carefully peel back and remove the treads from their backing paper, trying not to touch the adhesive, and simply place them down in the bath or shower. And that's it! Your bath and shower are now ready to use. Thank you for visiting SlipsAway. Visit our website to see more fantastic non-slip solutions for around the home.